Imagine unlocking the door to one of only 7 Lykan HyperSports ever built. The UAE's first homegrown hypercar, born of ambition and luxury. Crafted by W Motors in Dubai, with engineering from Germany's roof and assembly in Italy. This breathtaking machine debuted at the Qatar Motor Show in 2013 and remained limited to just 7 units. Beneath its sculpted carbon fiber skin lies a 3.7-liter twin-turbo flat-6 engine, tuned by Porsche's roof, delivering an astonishing 780 horsepower and 960 newton-meters of torque. Think 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.8 seconds and a top speed nearing. But the Lykan is far more than brute power. It's jewel-encrusted wizardry on wheels. Its headlights feature titanium-framed LEDs embedded with 420 diamonds, totaling around 15 carats. And buyers can choose rubies, yellow diamonds, sapphires, or emeralds instead. Step inside and you're enveloped in bespoke luxury. Seats hand-stitched with gold thread across premium leather. Interiors detailed with carbon fiber and titanium. The centerpiece is a mid-air holographic display with motion-sensing controls. A revolutionary first when the Lykan debuted. Owning this road monster isn't just a purchase, it's an elite lifestyle. Each buyer receives a limited edition Cyrus Klepsis watch worth around $200,000, a carbon fiber and titanium key, and access to 24/7 concierge service. Press a button, and engineers will fly anywhere in the world to you. One fan dubbed them the Flying Doctors. Originally priced at approximately $3.4 million, making it the 3rd most expensive production car of its time, the Lykan cemented its place among automotive ultra-elite. Its silver screen legacy is just as legendary. The Lykan HyperSport was the hero car in Fast and Furious 7, leaping between Abu Dhabi's Etihad towers. For the film, 10 fiberglass replicas were built, 9 were destroyed during shooting, and 1 now resides on display in Dubai. More than just a hypercar, the Lykan HyperSport stamped the UAE and the wider Middle East onto the global stage of automotive excellence. It merged hyper-performance with unapologetic opulence, proving that speed, rarity, and cinematic fame could be fused into a rolling diamond. Picture one of these in your garage. Which gemstone would you choose? Diamonds, rubies, sapphires, or emeralds?